A light magnitude 2.7 earthquake occurred in the Ionian Sea near Kefalonia Island, Greece, in the late afternoon of Monday, May 26, 2025 at 6:38 p.m. local time, GMT+3. The quake had a very shallow depth of 11.6 kilometers, 7 miles, and was not felt, or at least not reported so. First to report, Raspberry shake after 2 minutes. The earthquake occurred 1 day 17 hours after a magnitude 3.0 earthquake had hit on Sunday, May 25, 2025, at 1:45 a.m. GMT+3 local time, in 68 kilometers, 42 miles, distance to the southeast. Data source from Volcano Discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.